Want to make your own I voted felt button pin? It's easy and makes for a fun substitute when you don't get a sticker. Let's get started. First, you'll need to print out the pattern available to download on our website. There's a link in the description. Supplies you'll need are craft felt, decorative rhinestones, white embroidery floss, and one clasped pin back. Tools you'll need are your scissors, fabric marker, hand needle, and fabric glue or a glue gun. Use the pattern to cut out your pieces in felt. Take the red star and draw out your letters I voted. With white embroidery floss on a needle, stitch I voted using your marks as a guide. With glue, attach the red star to the white one. Then glue the stars to the blue circle and finally attach everything to the white circle backing. Want a little extra sparkle? Glue on some decorative rhinestones. Lastly, use glue to attach the clasp pin back to the wrong side, making sure you're doing it so the writing on the star is facing in the correct direction. Now you're ready to show that you've done your civic duty and voted. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching.